Good morning. It's our tour today. So it's already 4:19 and our tour is 4:30. So good luck. Malapit lang naman siya, like 7 minutes away yung pick up. So we will book a ride going to our pickup location, and then from there mag-i-start yung tour. Our tour is from Panda. Ano yan? Panda tour. So we book it through Agoda. So hanggang 5 AM ang meet up. Pag di kami nakaabot ng 5 AM, babay na. Ayun. So kagabi nag-snowfall kagabi, kaya ganito itsura ngayon ng labas. So ito yung instruction sa tapat daw ng Astana International Hotel. Then merong parang Barbero Kineso. Yeah. Okay, so yan. So we're gonna enter the bus.
Actually, feeling good is wrong answer because you feel sleepy. Yes, you feel more sleepy than good. Yeah, okay, just kidding. Yes, 10-15 minutes, and I suggest there are 3 things. First one, please take money from cash machine. Yes, cash machine. You need probably average. You need 20,000 tenge. I mean 20,000 tenge is better if you keep it in cash. It's included horseback riding service, some extra taxi services, even lunch is included in that amount of money. For pocket expenses, 20,000 tenge per person is more than enough. Now we're living there. Then we return this place probably between 8 and 9 p.m. 8 and 9 p.m. And our first location and the first national park will be Charing Canyon National Park, included Charing Canyon Rivoli of Castle. Second one is Black Canyon Viewpoint. Afternoon we will visit Kind Lake Sunken Forest, and exactly you can try horseback riding there. Yeah, and the last location, same place with lunch, will be Kulsai Lake, Lake in the Gorge, and it's same place with lunch. Please keep in your mind, then lunch will be late, probably between 2 and 3 p.m. And we can also expect from weather anything. You see, maybe it will be snowy, maybe rainy, maybe it's sunny. I don't know, because mountainous area, gorge area, and the canyon area, we can expect anything from the weather. I cannot control weather, and I cannot control flow of the time, unfortunately. Or
Express Market. So dito we can withdraw money kasi kailangan daw ng cash and
walang
food.
Nakamahal dyan.
Yan walang iba. So yan, dyan tayo mag-withdraw.
Huwag ka na withdraw.
So this is our first stop. This is ano to?
Charing Canyon.
Charing Canyon. Look.
Yeah, what up, man? Welcome to the Chardon Canyon National Park. How are you here? Is everything alright? How was the sweeping? Ready to hike? Yeah. So what up, man? Actually, in this vacation, so in this national park, we have here about 5 locations, such kind of like Chardon Canyon, Valley of Castles, Chardon River, Black Canyon, and the Moon Canyon. For today, we're gonna visit 4 of them. That's Chardon, Valley of Castles, Chardon River, and the Black one. So in this pod, we're gonna cover 2 of the locations. That's Chardon Canyon and the Valley of Castles. We are here 200 kilometers away from the city now, nearby to the south and east side of Kazakhstan. Actually, in that part there is a mountains. Do you see that? You can see the barren from here. Right there is a mountains, and the behind of that mountain is already China country. If you're gonna drive from here like 1 hour, 2 hours, you're gonna be in the China border. And then behind of me, another mountains. This is like Chardon Gorges, and behind of that one is another Chanchan mountains. Behind of that one is already Kyrgyzstan country. Just nearby to the 2 countries. So this area is about 154 kilometers square. It's really big area. I mean, if you're gonna like walk from here until end of this one, you're gonna be in China. Yeah.
Yellow line with brakes and one straight line. Yellow line with brakes is an upper road on the canyon. If you go there, it's a panoramic view road. I suggest go there, tourists who have troubles and the problems with knee pain and the back pain. And also if you have like little kids, I mean with you, not at home or somewhere, like, yes, I suggest that road. Because, why? Because now our road now is main road is red line. Look at the picture. If you use yellow line, for example, if it's canyon, you look at the canyon from here, like from here. If you use red line, you walk inside canyon.
So we're going down. Medyo malayo to. No?
Oo, hindi marami. Pag nakita natin yung bench.
So ilang ano to? Ilang steps. So sabi, yung dulo daw nito, China na. Sa tabi. Pag nilakad mo hanggang dulo, pupunta ka na sa China. Kasi katabi na dito yung China. Then if you go here, right, it's Kyrgyzstan. Ayun, sa likod namin.
Завтра вот наши
Maraming tourist guide.
надо наш водители, короче, об этом уведомит.
So pupunta na kami ng China. Kasi naglalakad kami.
Ang daming China. Oo.
Rock Formation. Tapos ito, Bundok Formation. So malapit na kami sa China. We are... Marami kaming kasabay na tourist on this tour. Iba't ibang lahi. May Indian, may Chinese, and representing Philippines. Marami rin Pinoy. Siguro parang mga 1/4 ng mga kasama sa tour are Pinoy. And marami ring mga foreigner na hindi taga dito. Like yung mga taga Europe, may mga taga Russia. Tapos yung iba, di ko alam kung taga saan. Bahala na sila dyan. So, medyo nakakahingal siya, mami. Tok pa ako. scenery. Like mga rock formation. So this is perfect for you. And for us. And for me. For you.
And for all of us.
And for the rest of the people.
The people are people. Look all beautiful.
Ang feeling mo.
Grabe, naluluha ako sa kanya. Ang feeling. Ayun o. Doon ka mo. Tapos pag may nakita tayong bench, yung parang
Asan na yung rock ng Queen?
nung yung umakit sila
Rock ng Queen.
ano ito tayo na?
Ate. That I can
Wala
see
na.
this and then every has and then light. So yun. Yun ang background pag mga background music kapag magaganda yung place. Diba?
Go, walk.
Pakasala, layo ka.
Sino ka dyan? Hindi pa yan, may yun ang yung may may arc. Ito yung si Martin. May arc. Tayo nakadalang shades.
Check. Out to check. Out to check. Out to check. So ito yung binili ko sa Shimbula.
Shimbula. No! Sa Koktobe yan.
Koktobe pala.
So nga. Dapat pantay lang tayo na ta.
Maganda nga yun eh. 1, 2, 3, go. So ayun na nga, we are here at the Charon Canyon. So iba-iba daw to eh. Tatlong canyon daw to.
Moon, saka black.
Ano?
Moon, saka black.
Moon tsaka Black Canyon. Pero I don't think makakapunta pa kami doon because
No, makapagod.
we don't have enough time. Kasi hanggang 9:40 lang. So feeling ko the rest dito lang din sila nagstay. Hanggang dito lang. Then umakyat na sila lahat. So ayun.
Pwede kayo din oh. Si Marvin, tambay tayo.
Huwag na, anong oras na oh. 8:54. So meron na lang kaming
Kasi nag-view pa tayong panoramic view. Maganda daw
40
panoramic view.
minutes
Kita tayo ba?
para bumalik. So ayun yung cave. Ito lang natin ito. So this is the cave that I'm talking about. Picture tayo dito. Nakakazak siya. Kaya hindi natin naiintindihan ang mga chika nila there. Talaga naman. So we're going back na to our camp.
Yung panoramic dito mas maganda.
So ito na yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, kaakyatin. Pabalik. Hindi maganda. Kailangan kong workout.
Good. Faster.
Ang taas pa.
Hindi mo ginamit yung picture.
Pwede naman tayong bumalik pataas eh. Ba't kasi dito pa?
Worth it naman. Nandiyan lang.
Whew! Okay. Tatay na ako. Binatatay na ako.
Sila bumalik sila.
Pabalik na sila.
Oh, let's go. I-zoom mo. Mag-ano mo picture tayo sa panoramic view. Let's go.
Hindi siya biro. Hindi siya biro sa mga chubby. Ha! 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 Ayun. Akala ko top na. Di pa pala. Meron pa mi.
Yun yung panoramic view.
Ayun pa oh.
Yan ang last na yan. Yan tayo.
Introduce myself first. My name is Ice Sultan. You can call me Ice.
Nice.
Yeah, and your guide as well. I've been working as a guide for almost 2 years now. I'm 24 years old. I'm already married as well. Yeah. So, now
Sayang.
I would like to tell you some things. How are you here? Is everything alright? How was the Chardon Canyon for you? Did you enjoy it? Yeah? It was cold for you? It was your first time in the canyons? Yeah, alright. And if you'd like to visit one of them, you can come to in the summer actually, from August month until end of September. That's the season for the apples. The interesting specific thing in apples, the weight of the one apple, it's about 400 to 500 grams. It's a really big apple. Sort of that apple is a port. Yeah, a port. If you like to buy them, you can buy it at the Magnum market.
Okay, our next stop
Black Canyon.
is the Black Canyon. So obviously it's color black. Here. So this is the Black Canyon. So kanina, it's Chardon Canyon, yung medyo bato-bato na orange.
Di ba? Nakatakba yan. Nakatakbit yan.
So ito yung dulong part niya.
Amazing. I like it.
It's a lagoon or a lake.
It's like a Mississippi River.
So yan yung pinakadulo ng pinakababa ng Black Canyon. Kines natin. There is a lake. Yung pinakababang part niya. Parati kaming late. Kami na lang yung palaging last na inaantay para umalis yung van. Kaka-picture. Nakakaya.
Yun yung picture sa
Warla na sila dito. Nagpipit-pit sila pag matagal ka.
Salim.
Salam.
Salim, it means hello. How to say how are you? You can say Hawaiian. Hawaiian. Hawaiian.
Kalaisen.
Now together, Salim Hawaiian.
Salam Kalaisen.
Yeah, it means hello, how are you? How to answer to that question? You can answer Salim Keremet.
Salam Shalaman.
Salim Keremet.
Salam Shalaman.
Yeah, it means
Shalaman.
I'm amazing, I'm wonderful. There is a tour. I'm gonna ask you not how are you guys. The rest of the tour is gonna be in the Kazakh language. You're ready for that one? It'll be chut chat chat. Yeah, it's easy, right? Okay, let's do it now. Chut chat chat. Открываем двери без ключа. Налетели как саранча. Стал богаче, даже богача. Распитался как Джеки Чан. Кто тут такой красавчик? Эй! Кто тут такой молодец? Эй! Мужиком должен стать мальчик. Эй! Мужиком станет отец. Эй! Как такой уйти в пути? Эй! А, ты что ли болец? Эй! Ладно, тогда мы не будем. Эй! Вижу, ты куришь самец. Эй!
Мне нашептала пташка, что я крутой агашка. Меня просят на махар, ведь пахну как айдахар.
Меня зовут Бекзат, но все зовут меня.
So we're here at the Kindy Lake. So we will be riding a horse, or the options are riding a horse, walking, and by taxi para makapunta sa Kindy Lake. So those are the options. Pero syempre, mag-horse kami. Ayan ang mga horse. Baho. Medyo makyoho lang siya. Amoy boe ng mga horse.
So, horseback riding, please come here, guys. Horseback riding. All Peters, please go there. Horse instructors, you're gonna pay for them. Take a picture of your horses, you're gonna come back by same one. Yep, okay? Take a picture of the horse and you come back same one. You can take a horse from here. Do you have here 4 people? 4 together? Yeah, 4 together.
So, you're doing the horse riding and going to the Candy Lake. Medyo scary pa itong horse na to. Oh no. Si Paul nandun sa unahan. Nauna siya. So, ito yung horse ko. He is brown horse. Like a dark horse. Oh no. Okay. So, stop ko muna yung camera kasi hindi pwedeng isa lang ang hawak. Mahirap. Kaya baka malaglag ako dito. At namiksena pa ako. Ano ka, tumae pa yung horse. Okay. I'll update you pag nasa Candy Lake na kami. Bye! Grabe, scary siya, mami. Lalo na yung pababa. Ang hirap. Napagod si Mima. So, ito na naman ho tayo. Struggle ako pababa nito. Patay. Hindi ko ata kaya. Baba na kami isa-isa. So, I don't know. Paano bababa? Oh my God, good luck. So, we're done with the horse. At nahirapan ako pababa. Sobra. Sumakit yung likod ko. So, ngayon, we're going down to the memory lane. To the Candy Lake. Pero wala daw makikitang lake kasi frozen daw siya ngayon. Frozen ang lake. So, wala tayong makikitang barbeg. As in the lake is really like frozen. Ups! Okay, are you okay?
Okay.
Nadulas ho. Kasi nga mahirap siya pababa. Oops.
How are you? We're good.
Salam.
Malaysia.
I forgot. What's the answer? I forgot. Kiramet. Kiramet. Ano daw yun? Hindi na si Mami. Oops! Okay ka lang, Mi. Madulas nga siya. Dapat yung shoes, yung may ano sa ilalim, be. Para di ka madulas. Yung mga pang winter shoes. Like my shoes. Kaya kahit lampa ako, hindi ako natudulas. Pero let's see later. Feeling ko I have my time. Baka later madudulas din ako. Kasi ang dami nang nadudulas. So we're about to enter the Kindy Lake. So ito siya. Ayan. Walang makikita. Dahil frozen. It's frozen. Like Elsa. Like it's giving Elsa. Okay, it's frozen. So that's the lake.
Patulog muna. Magpahinga.
Rest muna rin.
Recharge. Dire-diretso ako.
Okay. Medyo malala na yung lamig. Kaya hindi ko na kaya. So I have to cover my mouth and my nose. So we're here at Kolsai Lake. So we're about to enter Kolsai Lake. So dito yung entrance niya. Yan. So we're done with our lunch. So here. is the Calsay Lake.
Sige sa kanya, magkakita ko picture eh. Yun sila ako.
Sana? Saan yung lake? Maglalakad pa? So, ayun lang yung lake ko. Ha? Malakad tayo? Oo, papunta doon. Kapagod. Dandan sila. Paakyat yan di, oh. Parang di pa na kaya paakyat yan. Dito na lang tayo.
Tara na.
Kasi yung pabalik, paakyat na naman.
Ano lang
no?
yan? Malamig naman eh.
Ano malamig?
Hinayaan ko yung
Kinakakahinga.
tour ha. Ano na? Ang dahil lang, bilisan mo na.
Tsaka 30 minutes na lang tayo.
Kaya yan.
Kulit mo yun.
Look the panoramic view. But I can see the perfect star.
So this is the Calsay Lake. There. So it's frozen right now, kaya wala kayong makikita. Ayan. But that is a Calsay Lake. So we're going back to our van because we will be picking up by 4:05 p.m. So we're going back. Bye. Bye. So this is the meeting place ng tour namin. And we just ended our tour. So, and it is snowing again and again and again. So we're just right here waiting for our car in drive. So this is Astana International Hotel.
Ito yung $1,000.
One hash bay. Look at the snow. Medyo makapal yung snow ngayon. Mas makapal siya compare yesterday. So, kapag nagtuloy-tuloy to up until tomorrow, super white na naman to.
Amazing.
So dito lang to sa sa city. Kanina doon sa tour sa province area wala masyadong snow or hindi nag fall down yung snow. So dito pagbalik namin ng city, it's snowing again.
Bukas parang gusto kong full day sa hotel. Papahiga ako.
Sobrang napagod kami sa tour. Malala, mami. Ako napagod ako sa kabayo talaga. Na-stress ako ng bongga sa kabayo, malala. Hindi ko naman siya first time, pero first time kasi yung pababa taas, nakakatakot pala yung kabayo pag bumababa tas tumataas yung
Pero behave yun.
bundok kasi. So feeling ko mahuhulog ako ng malala. Kaya super stress ako and sobrang nag-enjoy naman pero sobrang nakakapagod. Malala yung pagod. Like, look at the snow. Wala, kinakain niya ho yung snow. Ilang minutes yung
White, ano siya?
So, ilang minutes?
9868. 5 minutes. White Chevrolet.
Doon ata yung holding area. Waiting area. Holding area. So, puting-puti na naman ho ang mga sahig because of the snow.
Baby, sabi ko 98. Wow. Kung hindi mabigo sa taas yung snow na.
Ang kakapal ngayon, oh. Ang kakapal nung bagsak ng mga snowflakes. So malamang malalang snow to tomorrow. Or kapag hindi siya nag-stop up until the morning. Super white na naman to all over Almaty. So nice.
Ano to? Ano na ba ito?
So we're here at the 24-hour supermarket dito sa Almaty. So meron din siyang mga restaurants. Yeah, I think 24 hours din yung mga restaurant. And the supermarket is also 24 hours. Dito tayo kakain dito? Ha? Ayun yung kainan.
Mag-video mo na ako. Oo, card ko na lang.
Okay. So we're about to enter the mall. Okay, so we're gonna eat our dinner. Para siyang fast food dito. Hindi. Pero parang fast food siya eh.
Ano ko ng halal ha?
Halal. Halal ba yan?
Parang halal siya. Hanggang silipin natin. Gusto ko mga... Akala ko gusto ko yung supermarket ng kain. Bayin lang tayo.
Anong supermarket to?
Oo, tapos bibili lang tayo. Iuwi natin sa bahay.
So, di namin bet yung mga food. Saba na kami sa Kazakh food eh. Magwa 1 week na kaming puro flab. siguro meat. So we're looking for something unique. Unique. Ayun, ano ba yun?
Ay, bilis ito na, papayos na lang.
Saan?
Ano na lang natin ito. 5 minutes. Ikaw lang mag-ano.
Huh?
Ito tayo, oh. Saan tayo? Iikutin natin ito pag ano. Papayos to, oh.
Baka magsasara na yan, di? Kasi alas 9 na. 24 hours ba yan?
Hindi yan. Close na 12 a.m.
Oh.
Anong oras na? Nain pa lang.
Sure ka?
Oo.
Diyos ko, ang complicated ng gusto mo.
Ano? Ano?
Saan banda yan?
Dito na, dito tayo.
Ha?
Dito, puliit lang.
So we're looking for a food. For foods. For our dinner. It's already 9 p.m. And medyo malakas ang snow ngayon. Malala. Ayan.
Yung payo, waki na.
Huwag ka na magpayong. Wala naman nagpapayo po. Laro ka.
Ito ba basa yung cellphone ko?
Okay lang yan. Kung nakikita ka
Maganda rin ito,
nagpapayo.
eh. Nakita mo ito? Mga toys. Pwede ka kung siyo, oh. Ito mo dumaan. Kasi dito na parang, oh. Ang laki yan, oh. Naglakad mo dito sa
Ano
inyo.
ba yan? 24 hours yan?
I'm not sure. Mga chocolate, mga candies, yung pastries, yung candies ko.
For kids, oh. For Zero. Mga favorite na Zero.
Yung freedom lang.
Check mo kaya dito.
Sabi ni, ano ito,
Be, check mo yung ano, kung tama yung nilalakaran natin. Kakanan ba tayo dito?
diretso lang, diretso pa.
Hindi, parang kakanan eh.
Traffic mo to. Diretso ka, wala pang phone. Doon tayo sa may pedis. Ano ko, si... Ano may freedom pa? Ano ba yung German?
Ha?
Ano yung parang ano, American ba?
Grabe ang lala ng snow. It's really winter
Ay,
wonderland.
suman tayo dito. Anong papuntang Albas? Tapos may nag-ano dito, may nagbabasking. Tapos dumiretso lang tayo doon.
Oh, nandun yung Popeyes.
Ito na.
Ayan yun, dyan.
Dito?
Oo.
Yun na yung Popeyes na yun eh.
Ha?
Yun na yung Popeyes na yun. Alam
Oo,
mo?
nakita ko yan
Yun na
dyan.
yun.
So, ito na yung kakainan namin, finally. We will be tasting familiar food again. Here at Popeyes. Sana may rice. May rice kaya dyan? Oh, wala. Okay. Gonna enter now.
तो પછી વાત કરું ભાઈ બધા જ બધા મારા બેચ ને બધા જ મારું
So finally, here's our dinner. So something that we can, ano,
Ang ano, ewan ko sa iyo.
To refresh our palates from Kazakh food.
Nilalamunan ko yung
Ayan.
walang lasa.
Para familiar food naman. Here, wala silang rice, so ito lang yung food na in-order namin. So they have the chicken wings, fries, and burger. Pares lang tayong burger.
Hindi, yung barbecue ba ito? Barbecue naman ketchup dito.
Ketchup. Okay, so we're gonna eat now. And outside is the heavy snow. Okay. Ano to, wipes? Buksan mo. Para makapag-wipes ka ng hands. Buksan mo, pakita mo sa kanila. Yeah.
After.
So yun, so we're gonna start eating na. Bye, see ya.